With everything that's been happening, whenever there is a severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued, our first thing is what's happening in that place. What can we expect? And a lot of times you see these high winds really happening, and you have to pay close attention to what's going on. You can see that camera has a nice bounce to it. That's not something that usually happens. That's how high the winds are. Now, I know it's dark. The camera's in black and white, but you can see those flashes there. Number one, the winds are high, so it's creating a shortage in that camera, and it's lightning outside, and you can see how heavy that rain is. And also there's a few pockets of ponding. So if you're going anywhere in the next few hours, it is very important that you make sure that you are prepared in case you run into some ponding on the roadways. You don't want to get your car carried away, and you definitely don't want to stall out or hydroplane. All those things could definitely happen.